FCDA, the Chairman, Civil Service Commission of the FCT, mandate secretaries, coordinators, and heads of agencies, especially the coordinator of the STDD, heads of security agencies, very special guests of the Honorable Minister here seated, chairman of area councils, with special reference to Chairman Gwagwalada Area Council, Honorable Abugiri, and other chairmen here present, our esteemed traditional ruler, the Emir of Gwagwalada, Alhaji Muhammad Magaji, the Aguma of Gwagwalada, friends and stakeholders of the FCT, friends of the FCT minister, top-level members of the two political parties here present, APC and PDP, contractors to the project, Okma Nigeria Limited, Executive Director Ebera Owonda, our Abuja market women, our Gwagwalada special marshals, media personnel gathered, and top-level security personnel here, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eugenia Abu. Today I shall be your guide for this very, very special project, which would give us the very important opportunity to see the road from the Aguma of Gwagwalada's Palace to Radio Nigeria and onward. This is a special project. Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister, sir, Gwagwalada is a very special area. Before I begin my introduction, I would like for us to listen to how Gwagwalada means. The Honorable Minister, Bijou, a Nigerian musician, played that song, and Gwagwalada is in the limelight all over the world. And today, we have arrived in Gwagwalada. That song, along with Sheyi Vibes and Kiss Daniel, made the top 20 for many months in Nigeria. The train of the official flag-off ceremonies of construction and rehabilitation of roads in area councils has arrived in Gwagwalada. It has been to Buhari and Kwali, and now it is the turn of Gwagwalada. This is the geographical location of a teaching hospital, Radio Nigeria, University of Abuja, and the Special School for the Gifted, among several other iconic institutions. This is the council area that has entered our musical lexicon with a song named after it. This is the local council area that is the leadway to the Kogi state capital, remaining relevant at all times. In its wisdom, the federal government has given Abuja council areas a lot of weight by situating iconic institutions in the various council areas. Buhari houses the law school, Kwali houses a federal government college. The Honorable Minister of the FCT over the last couple of days has told us that every council area in Abuja will feel the weight of the FCT administration. Today, we arrived Gwagwalada Area Council for the official flag-off ceremony of the rehabilitation of Aguma Palace, Radio Nigeria, New Market Road. We welcome you all to this ceremony as part of the many flag-offs and commissionings that have taken place in the FCT. Today is day 8. We are thankful that each one of the project commissionings and flag-offs have been majorly successful. To welcome you all here today and to give you an overview of the project, please give a warm welcome to the coordinator of the Satellite Town Development Department, Abdul Kadir Zulkiflu.
Thank you, the MC. The Honorable Minister of FCT, my father, my mentor, and my boss, Chief Barrister Gwagwalada, the Honorable Minister of State, Hajia Dr. Maria Mahmood, Member House Committee on FCT Area Council and Ancillary Matters, Honorable Abdurrahman Najia, former Senator Distinguished Tenimu Philip Aduda, members of the National Assembly, senators here present, both serving and past, traditional rulers here present, area council chairman here present, executive secretary of CDA, head of service, permanent secretaries, directors, our esteemed people of Gwagwalada, permit me, Your Excellency, to align myself with the well-established protocol. It is my pleasure that I stand before you today at the flag of Rehabilitation of Aguma Palace, Radio Nigeria, New Market Road in Gwagwalada Area Council of the FCT. This important project will improve infrastructural developments, alleviate the suffering of the residents and other road users, and favorably impact the lives of our people. Firstly, let me express our sincere appreciation to the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Chief Barrister Wike, CON, for his commitment and dedication to the growth and development of satellite towns and area councils. It is indeed commendable how committed you are to transform the dreams and aspirations of the satellite towns residents. Your Excellency may wish to note that the contract was awarded on 24th September 2024 to Mrs. Okmas Nigeria Limited and is expected to be completed within the period of 12 months. The Federal Capital Territory Administration is so passionate to open up the rural communities. This is in line with the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the current FCT administration. The rehabilitation of Aguma Palace, Radio Nigeria, New Market Road is to bridge the infrastructural gap in satellite towns and area councils. Your Excellency, permit me to highlight the scope of the projects. Construction of 10-kilometer length roads, site clearance and earthworks, 150-millimeter lateritic subbase, 150-millimeter thick stone base, 60-millimeter thick asphaltic binder course, 40-millimeter thick asphaltic wearing course, construction of bogs and pipe culverts of different sizes, construction of access road, access slabs and culverts, construction of trapezoidal concrete line drains, and lastly, installation of solar street lights. Indeed, Abuja is blessed to have you, sir. Finally, this is to all satellite towns and area councils. With Wike on ground, be rest assured that more flagging offs are coming, more commissionings are coming. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
To mun gode sosai. An ji ku ku zauna mun gode sannunku. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister, you see that song, Gwagwalada. We saw distinguished Senator Philip Aduda dancing with his people to Gwagwalada because he understands what it means. We want to thank the young and very agile coordinator of STDD for coming over to tell us what we are expecting once this road is commissioned. We're expecting street lights. We're expecting all the services that go with a good and well-apportioned road. We thank you very much. Let's give him another round of applause. Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have with us, as always, those who provide a strong support to the Honorable Minister. We have Distinguished Senator Philip Aduda, Distinguished Senator Mao Ohabunwa, Distinguished Senator Lakan Wogu, Distinguished Senator George Sekibo, Distinguished Senator Magnus Abe, His Excellency Ambassador Desmond Akao, Minister of State, former FCT, Honorable Fred Agbe, Chief Dan Obi, Honorable Gadom, Honorable Ojukaye Amakri. And we have seated beside the Honorable Minister today, the very distinguished Professor Senator Sandy Ono. We thank you all so very much for being here with us. We appreciate all of you. Today is the turn of Gwagwalada Area Council, and his brother area council members are here. I can't see that far, but Honorable Chiat Nladi for Kwali Area Council is here. Honorable John Gabaya, Buari Area Council. Honorable Christopher Meikalangu, Amak. Honorable Abugiri, Gwagwalada Area Council and Chief Host. And host, the minister is chief host, he is host. Honorable Abdullahi Suleiman Saba Kuje and Honorable Abubakar Abdullahi Abuja Area Council. We thank all of you for coming. And for goodwill messages, we immediately start, of course, with the chairman of the place we are all seated today. So we are going to ask Honorable Abugiri, Chairman, Gwagwalada Area Council, to make his way to the podium for his goodwill message. Chairman, Area Council, please, eyes. When I say eyes, it means you should hold it for a little bit. We are going to take an overview of the contract before the goodwill message. I apologize. My bad. Let us call now on the contractors to the project. Okma Nigeria Limited, Executive Director Ebera Owonda, to come forward and tell us his commitment to the project, because this is so important to the Honorable Minister. You could see him making signs at me because the contractor must make a commitment to completion and saying you can't take goodwill until Okmas has spoken. Okmas, over to you.
Honorable Minister, Federal Capital Territory, Chief Barrister Nyesom Gwagwalada, Honorable Minister of State, Your Excellency, may I stand on the already established protocol. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Chairman, the management and staff of Okmas Nigeria Limited, we welcome you and your entourage to Gwagwalada for the flag off of Aguma Palace Road, Radio Nigeria Road, New Market Road, and other adjoining roads, 10-kilometer roads. Your Excellency, having passed through the pre-qualification and tender process, which has proven our competency and capacity to carry out this project, we are here today to reassure you that we are going to carry out this project timely and quality delivery. In the next 10 months, we shall be handing over this project to the Satellite Time Development Department for your commissioning. Thank you, Your Excellency, for your confidence in us, and we assure you that we will not disappoint you. Thank you, and God bless you, sir.
Okma has said, we assure you we will not disappoint you. The number of people who are here are plenty, led by the Honorable Minister. Everybody listened to you. And you said, we assure you we will not disappoint you. Let's give a round of applause to Okma for the completion of this project. We know it is going to happen. It's now the turn, and I beg your pardon, Honorable Chair. It's now your turn, Chairman, Gwagwalada Area Council, to come forward for your goodwill message. Gwagwalada Area Council Chair, Honorable Abu Giri, makes his way to deliver his goodwill.
Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister Gwagwalada, CON, Your Excellency, the Minister of State of FCT, our distinguished senators present here, our leader, our father, our brother, the Senator of FCT, the one we know, that is Senator Philip Aduda. The House of Rep member we have in Abuja South, my colleagues, the chairman of the 5 area council, the FCDA staff we have, the traditional rulers we have, the Aguma of Gwagwalada, and also the representative of Agora of Zuba. The district head we have in this gathering, the press, ladies and gentlemen, market women, Gwagwalada market women, I believe your problem is solved today. I hope our problem is solved today. On behalf of the people of Gwagwalada Area Council and also the market women we have, or market associations, I just come here to welcome the Prime Minister of the City and the Minister of State, and to thank them on the wonderful work they are doing for us in FCT, especially we in Gwagwalada. When you visited Paiko to Iboa, I said we need more. You said you give us more. And today, the reality has come. You have given us more. We are Oliver twins. We will not be tired of asking you. You are now our father. We don't have anybody in this FCT that you cry to. It is you that you cry to. You can see we that are staying in rural areas. Our major challenge is the major road. We don't have much road. This road you are flagging up today is the major road in Gwagwalada town. We don't have any other road that is linking from other area to other area in Gwagwalada than this very road. In fact, this our market was even about to collapse because of the road. Thank you very much for your coming, and thank you very much for this wonderful work you are trying to do for us. We people in Gwagwalada, around from the day we saw it in Nate that you have awarded this contract, most of us have started jubilating, especially we that are in the government today. We are so happy to have you in our midst. The only thing we tell you, we pray to Almighty Allah, if Mr. President comes to power 2027, we still go to him and tell him that he should bring you back to FCT as the Minister of FCT. Because we know the work you are putting on ground, you might finish most of them. There are some that you will not finish them. The one that you will not finish, you come back next time, you come and complete them for us. Really, you have shown us we are in democracy now. You define democracy to us in Bali when we go to Bali on Monday. You said democracy is for the people, by the people, and for the people. Actually, we have started saying it. Thank you very much for coming, and God will take you to the promised land. Thank you very much, Mr. Minister.
The Chairman, Gwagwalada Area Council, Honorable Giri, has expressed his thankfulness to the Honorable Minister and his team for the work that they are doing. Our goodwill message now will move from the Chairman of the Area Council to the representative of the Chairman House Committee on FCT Area Councils and Ancillary Services, Honorable Peterobi, who will come forward and give a short goodwill message on behalf of the Chair. As he comes to deliver this goodwill message, please encourage him. It's a long walk to the podium. Give him a round of applause as he comes. We salute his presence. We appreciate him. And we thank the Chairman House Committee on Area Councils and Ancillary Matters for sending a worthy representative. Honorable, over to you.
My people, Your Excellency, the FCT Minister, the indefatigable Minister, the workaholic Minister, the talk and do minister, the he who has come to deliver his people. Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, the one we saw what he did in Port Harcourt, the one we are seeing what he is doing. The Honorable Minister of State, the mommy of the house, Doc herself, my own senior brother, the senator representing this area, distinguished senators, former, my own brother, distinguished Senator Ma Uhuabunwa, Senator Magnus Abe, and all other senators who accompanied the FCT minister and his entourage, the FCDA staff, the Algon chairman, the local government council. I stand here before you today to bear witness on what is happening in Abuja. I have been in the same party with the FCT minister before I left to my present party. But what he is doing today is a testament that dividend of democracy does not know party. We must come together and deliver the message that we have been sent to come and deliver. And what is the message? Renewed hope agenda. Once you finish election, party is only vehicle to take you to your destination. We must learn this and learn this very, very well. That our people they don't need party, but what can you offer? Today, the FCT minister has shown capacity. Has he not? I pray that God will touch us. Whoever that will be sent an errand will try and do it the way FCT minister is doing his job diligently. He is doing many works at the same time. And I pray that God will give him good health. I don't want to know what his distractors are talking. If you want to bring him down, bring yourself up first of all, before you look down and bring him down. But if you cannot, he is going up and up and up. And he'll be looking down at you when you try to pull him down. But I want to remind everybody, if you pull a God-anointed son down, he will fall on top of you. Before you get up, you must push him up. Barrister Nyesom Wike, my own brother, you are from River State. I am from Nnewi, Anambra State, the Japanese capital of Nigeria. You are doing well. And my people in the House of Friends, we are giving you and your team 98%. You are doing very, very well. And we encourage you to do well. You will continue to do well to the admiration of your detractors. And I thank you. This goodwill message is from my chairman, Honorable Fred Abade, who is unavoidably absent, away in another assignment outside the country. So I thank you all. May God bless you as you undertake to serve your people. God will reward you and reward you real big. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you, Junior.
Honorable Peter Ezukwe, representing Chairman House Committee on Area Councils and Ancillary Matters, Honorable Fred Agbede, we thank you for your intervention. The highlight is, what can you offer? And if you cannot, then allow those who are delivering to continue to do so. Would like at this point to invite to speak as the last goodwill message today, Right Honorable Ajia. I didn't see Senator Jimkuta. We'll start with Senator Jimkuta to take his goodwill message. Honorable Ajia will not be the last to speak. Distinguished Senator Jimkuta will be the last after him. Honorable Ajia, representing the good people of Abuja South, is here to deliver his goodwill message.
Your Excellency, Barrister Wike, Honorable Minister, Federal Capital 23, Your Excellency, the Minister of State, FCT, Dr. Mariam Mahmoud, the Chairman, Senate Committee on Area Council and Auxiliary Matters, Senator Jimkuta, my brother, my colleague, representing the Chairman Committee on Area Council and Auxiliary Matter in the House of Rep, the members, former members of the National Assembly here present, most especially my brother, Senator Philip Tanimu Aduda, the chairman of the area councils here present, particularly the host, the chairman of Gwagwalada Area Council, our royal fathers, Your Excellency, let me align myself with the already established protocol. May the peace and blessing of God be upon all of us. Your Excellency, the tireless minister, today the crowd you are seeing welcoming you is a great testimony that people here are happy with the project you are about flagging up today. Your Excellency, in our last flag up, some wonder all your projects, some that doesn't know how you operate, think all your projects are in the city. What I have even noticed is, even in the area council, you are Mr. Balancing. You are balancing the project. Here in Gwagwalada, the first project that was flagged up was in Paiko, one of the ward. Today you are balancing it with another project right inside the Gwagwalada town. Yesterday, the project you flagged up was in Pai Gomani, which is outside the outer skirt of the area council. You are balancing up all your projects. We sincerely appreciate you for all you are doing. Your Excellency, words enough. Words can never be enough to continue to thank you for what you are doing. And we will not be tired in honoring all your invitation, because we are the chief beneficiary of all you are doing, and we will continue to appreciate it. Honorable Minister, as member of House of Rep and represent the people of Abuja South, we appropriate funds, but you are inviting us to come and witness how you are judiciously utilizing those funds. Why? Because you have transparency. You are making the job easier for us. and we want to assure you that we will continue to give you all our maximum cooperation. On this note, we will continue to appreciate you, appreciate Mr. President for bringing you to FCT. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you, Honorable Ajia, with his goodwill message. We immediately invite the very distinguished Senator Jemkuta to come and give his goodwill message. Please encourage him, continue to cheer him as he comes. The area councils love him, and they celebrate him as he makes his way to the podium. Welcome.
Thank you, my auntie, Regina Abu. Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister Wike, the Honorable Minister for State for FCT, Dr. Maria Mahmoud, the Honorable Member representing Abuja South, my brother, and the Honorable Member representing my co-chairman in the House of Representatives. Your Excellency, let me recognize the Honorable distinguished senators, my leader, especially Senator Philip Aduda and other former senators that accompany you to this great occasion. Let me recognize the presence of His Royal Highness, my father, my landlord, Your Excellency, if I would say, in 2003, when I first decided to start living in Abuja from Lagos. I stay behind the Aguma Palace here. So my coming here is historical. Ladies and gentlemen, the area council chairman, good afternoon. Your Excellency, let me apologize by coming late, because I was thinking that the grand finale is Gwagwalada, which is tomorrow. So I was in Kuje. But on reaching Kuje, your presence was not there, because anywhere you are, you see the environment change. So when I asked, I said there is nothing like this here. So I have to call the protocol quickly. He told me that you people were here, and I drove down here. I'm sorry for coming late. But this is a very, very great moment for me and the resident of Gwagwalada. Your Excellency, let me thank you very much for this developmental infrastructure that you brought to the Gwagwalada Area Council. Because the Aguma Palace from the radio house and the last time I used that road, erosion nearly took the whole community out because of the erosion that was there. And I thank you that I'm part of this history that we come today to flag up the market, the radio house, and Aguma Palace Road. Our coming here, Your Excellency, we are not only here to encourage you, but it will go down in the history. To me, it's very important to me and to my future and to some of us, the young people that are in politics now or aspiring to be something tomorrow, because we are following you to see what you are doing, and we'll use it as a reference point tomorrow, because we'll say we are part of the people that come with the Honorable Minister to do this, to do that, and we learn so much from his experience. So you people can be rest assured that if given the opportunity, we'll deliver, because we learn from WIW. So for me, I sincerely appreciate this opportunity given to me to be among the people, to be among the history making in the life of the people of FCT and Abuja and Renew Hope agenda. Thank you, and God bless you. May God keep you in sound health.
Thank you, distinguished Senator Jemkuta, who is indeed a Gwagwalada citizen. If he lived behind the Aguma Palace, then it means that he lived in Gwagwalada and he's one of you. Let's give a round of applause to Senator Jemkuta. Your Excellency, the assignment for those who know how to show gratitude resides only in the hands of those who understand the meaning of thankfulness, who show kindness and friendship. That assignment has been in the hands more often than not of an administrator, a politician, and a family doctor, the Minister of State, FCT, Dr. Maria Mahmood, as she makes her way to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the FCT.
Thank you, the Director of Ceremony. His Excellency, the Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister Elson Wike, CON, Mr. Project, the Chairman, Senate Committee on Area Council and Ancillary Matters, distinguished Senator Jim Kuta, the Chairman, House Committee on Area Council, ably represented here, the National Assembly members, former and serving that are here present, the Chief of Staff to the Honorable Minister, SSAs and SS that are here, the Head of Service, Chairman, Civil Service Commission, FCT, the Executive Secretary, FCDA, Mandate Secretary, Permanent Secretaries that are here present, our Royal Fathers, the Chairman of the Area Councils that are here present, our market women, our mothers, the security chiefs that are here, invited guests, ladies, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. On behalf of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who has gathered here today to witness the official flag of ceremony for the rehabilitation of Aguma Palace to New Market Road in Gwagwalada Area Council. We would like to extend our special thanks to the Father of the Nation, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, who has commissioned us to carry out this numerous project within and outside the city of Abuja. Just as the Honorable Minister, His Excellency Barrister Elson Wike, used to say in several fora, Mr. President's commitment towards the renewed hope agenda of improving our infrastructure is evident for all to see. This project is a testament to our collective effort to enhance the quality of life of our residents. So therefore, it will not only improve transportation and accessibility as we always see, but it will stimulate economic growth and development in this area. We are also deeply honored by the presence of the serving and non-serving lawmakers who have stood by us throughout this journey. Your presence around us and always underscores the significance of this project to our rural communities. We appreciate the coordinator of Satellite Town Development Department, SCDD, and his team of engineers, especially the contractor that will bring this project to fruition. We are confident that this project will be completed on time, as it has been said by the contractor, and also with the highest standards. Thank you all for your support and participation always. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Maria Mahmood, has delivered the vote of thanks on behalf of the FCT administration. We wish to thank her for making that intervention and doing it ever so well. Let's give a round of applause to the Honorable Minister of State, please. The Gwagwalada community, are you here? Okay, we know the reason why we came. According to Senator Jim Kuta, this is a very, very important road. According to Honorable Ajia, this road is the live wire of this place. According to the chairman, this is a very important road. And so for the FCT administration, all the Gwagwalada citizens should give 3 gbosas. Let's go. Gbosa. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Your Excellencies, the man in the starlight today, always around all these projects, covering the land area of FCT across area councils and the city center, is a man described by the chairman, Kwali Area Council yesterday, as the Lord while he is the land. He says that he's not the landlord, that he is the Lord and the chairman is the land. I asked the chief of staff yesterday to the Honorable Minister to carry a bag for the well-plumed feathers for the heart of the Honorable Minister and all his titles. Today, Honorable Gia has described him as Mr. Balancing, another feather to his heart. Mr. Balancing, former local government chair, two-time governor of Rivers State, arriving the FCT as Mr. Infrastructure with his own acronym, Wike is working. Help me give a warm Gwagwalada welcome to the Honorable Minister of FCT, Ezenwo Nyesem Wike, and we say to him, Yafin Yebo, welcome.
Your Excellency, the Minister of State of the Federal Capital Territory, Dr. Maria Mahmood, the Chairman, Senate Committee, area councils and other auxiliary matters, our dear own Senator Jim Kuta, the representative of Abuja South in the House of Representatives, the representative of the chairman of House Committee on Area Councils and other auxiliary matters, our own distinguished senators, particularly Senator Philip Tanimu Aduda, the former Minister of State of the Federal Capital Territory, Ambassador Desmond Akawo, the other leaders, Raya, Chief of Staff, the Head of Service, Executive Secretary of the FCDA, Chairman, Civil Service Commission, Mandate and Permanent Secretaries that are here. Our dear Area Council Chairman, particularly our Chief Host, the Chairman of Gwagwalada Area Council, our dear traditional rulers that are here, our dear women, market women, who have come out in your numbers, our dear youth of Gwagwalada, my dear brothers and sisters, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. The people of Gwagwalada, are you happy? The people of Gwagwalada, are you happy with Mr. President? Now, you remember when we were appointed early, sometimes in August and September last year, one of the first things we did was to visit all the area councils. And you will agree with me that the Honorable Minister of State and my humble self were here in Gwagwalada to interact with you, to discuss with you, to see how you are feeling, to let you know that this administration is not the administration that will sit in the city. It is the administration that will make sure the area councils feel the impact of government and governance. We never sat down in the city to decide what we are going to do for you. Is it not correct? We came to the town hall meeting. In course of our interaction, you said one of the major problems you have, one was to construct the Pico Road. Is it not what you said? You said we should do the Old Market Road, the Aguma Palace Road, and Radio Nigeria Road. Is it not true? Is it not what you told us? And we told you, if that is what you want, consider it done. Because on our coming that day, I told you that Mr. President has directed that whatever you ask, we should give it to you. And today, by the special grace of God, one of the second requests you made is for the construction of this very important 3 segments of the road. And I want to assure you, like the coordinator has said, like the contractor has said, even though the contract agreement says 12 months, you have heard when the contractor said, by in 10 months' time, that was going to hand over this road to us. Let me assure you, this is not the time where contract is being awarded and contract is abandoned. This contract has been awarded, this contract has been flagged off today, and this contract will be commissioned next year. Can I give you one more good news? Do you want to hear another good news? Are you sure? You are sure? You want good news? And you be good people? And the good news is this. Gwagwalada, Mr. President, has chosen Gwagwalada Area Council as one of the area councils that we are going to supply water to Gwagwalada. There must be water supplied to the entire Gwagwalada Area Council. Are you happy with that? Are you happy with that? Has any administration come to do this for you before? Have you ever seen them before? Has any minister come to talk to you like this before? Have you seen a minister before? Thank you very much. This is the difference. This is the difference. Mr. President has directed. You cannot be a minister and the people you are serving do not know you. You cannot be in my government and the people you say you are working for cannot see you eye. And that is why we have been to Gwagwalada at least since assumption of office. We have been to this Gwagwalada not less than 4 times. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? So, this is what we'll talk about government. Government of the people, government for the people, and government by the people. So, Just all we want from you, support the contractors so that we can finish this work on time. And let me also employ the contractor to please make sure that our youths who do not have jobs are also employed to work, to earn a living, to feed their families. They can also make some supplies. They can also be small contractors. Not be so. Not be so. So, let me assure you, by the grace of God, in the next 10 months, we'll come back here to the glory of God and commission this particular project. I said yesterday, when we went to Kwali, when we went to flag off by Gomani Road, let me reiterate, Mr. President did not appoint me or Minister of State to come and preside over selling of their land. That is not why we were appointed. Did you hear what I said? Mr. President did not appoint the Honorable Minister of State and my humble self to come here to preside over selling of land. Mr. President appointed us to see how we can contribute towards the improvement and development of FCT and other area councils. That's why we're here. We are not here just to come and begin to sell land. We are here to give you water. We are here to give you road. We are here to make you happy. Let me therefore, and let me please plead with the contractor. Now we're having dry season, or now we have dry season. Utilize this period to make sure the work is not carried out well. You know how the climate change. You never can tell when the rains will come. So as we have it now, utilize the opportunity and make sure we have no problem of delay. Let me also warn you, there is no provision in our budget for variation. I don't want to hear there's a gully somewhere. We have taken note of all those things before the bill of quantity was prepared. The coordinator and the director of engineering services, you know I know the tricks. You know I know the tricks. So there's no need of, Your Excellency, we did not know on the other side of it there was a heavy gully. I want to see that gully before anybody will bring any paper. So we don't believe in variation, we don't believe in augmentation. We have the money to pay you. So if you go and create gully for yourself, you use their money and do that gully. So on this note, I invite our dear Senator, House of Rep members, and the single senators and the Honorable Minister of State to join us as we flag off this Old Market Road, Aguma Palace Road, and Radio Nigeria Road to the glory of God. Thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Minister is on his way to commission the projects. Radio Nigeria Road, Aguma Palace, and Old Market Road in Gwagwalada. He is going to mount the grader to signify the flagging off of this, and we are very delighted in Gwagwalada for all of this at this time. We salute the dexterity of the team of the FCT minister, all of whom have come with him. We greet Alhaji Salihu Masakan Zuba, representative of Agora of Zuba, who is here, and all our faith-based organizations, priests, imams, reverend sisters who have come to celebrate. We greet all of them. And all the citizens of Gwagwalada who are here for this purpose, we thank you. And all the directors of FCDA, FCT, and STDD, we thank you for coming. We appreciate all of you. God bless you for coming. Sorry, just a second. The Honorable Minister has flagged off, and it's time for pictures at this time, after which we will take the national anthem. It's time for the photograph, the group photograph that the Honorable Minister...